Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study about a chapter called trigonometry. So, shall I say you the definition first? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of measurement of sides and angles of a right angled triangle. So, I repeat, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of sides and angles of a right angle triangle. So, the word trigonometry, trigno means triangle and metry means to measure. So, the word we have divided this word into two parts, that is trigno, which means triangle, and metry is to measure. But whenever we come across the word right angle, right angle triangle, the thing that comes in our mind is Pythagoras theorem. In this Pythagoras theorem, what we'll do is we'll consider a triangle ABC and B will it's 90 degree. So what we'll do, whenever the two sides are given, we can find the one side. See, the Pythagoras theorem formula, AC square is equals to AB square plus of BC square. That means hypotenuse is AC and we got here two adjacent sides, that is AB and BC. So in Pythagoras theorem, what we'll do is, if one side is missing, we'll find the another side. But in this trigonometric right angle triangle, if one side is given and we can ask you to find the two sides. If BC is given, they'll say you to find AC and AB. So with the help of this trigonometric ratios, we can find the other two sides of a triangle. In this triangle, we'll consider the three features, that is, one is height, the other is base, and the other is hypotenuse. The three features here are height, base, and hypotenuse. Based on this, the ratios are considered. The ratios of sides of a right angle triangle. Ratios of right angle triangle are called trigonometric ratios. Consider the triangle ABC. In triangle B, will consider B as 90 degree. These ratios are always defined with the respect of acute angle. The acute angle, we will take it either to A or to C, any one. That is, we'll consider either A or C as an acute angle. If any one of the trigonometric ratios of an acute angle is known, then we can find the remaining trigonometric ratios of an angle. If one trigonometric ratios of an acute angle is known, then the remaining trigonometric ratios of an angle can be easily determined. So how to identify these sides? Sides are always labeled with the respective theta. So what is theta here? Acute angle. We'll consider the theta as an acute angle. So here is the triangle ABC. This one is hypotenuse, which is opposite to the 90-degree. We'll consider the acute angle theta. The opposite of this theta, will consider the side as opposite side. Now the remaining side is adjacent side. So opposite to 90-degree, we consider the side as hypotenuse. Then opposite to the angle theta, that is acute angle, will consider it as a opposite side, and the remaining part is a adjacent, that is base. So here we'll find with functions, the trigonometric functions or ratios. Sine theta, this sine theta is single, we can't write it as sine into theta, so this is the wrong way of writing. So sine theta is one thing which can not be separated. So what is sine theta? Sine theta can be written as opposite divided by hypotenuse. In the same way, we'll consider the cos theta, that is adjacent to the hypotenuse. Now the remaining one more is tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but opposite to the adjacent. Once we understood these trigonometric ratios, we will go with the reciprocals. The reciprocal of sine theta is cosec theta. So cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse divided by opposites. The cos theta reciprocal is sec theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent. The reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, that is adjacent by opposite. So today's session will end. Tomorrow we'll continue the further part.